Hey guys, welcome back to Shiba Inu Crypto. Binance CEO sent Shiba Inu coin price skyrocketing after this upgrade. Shiba Inu news today. BONE is the governance token of the Shiba Swap ecosystem. It allows holders to vote on proposals, with the weight of their vote being proportional to the amount of their holdings. It has doubled in price over the past 2 weeks. The upward movement might have occurred as a result of the anticipation of the new upgrade, Shibarium. In this video, we will talk about Binance CEO sent Shiba Inu coin price skyrocketing after this upgrade. Shiba Inu news today. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content on Shiba Inu price predictions and expert analysis. Without further ado, let's begin the video. The crypto market is highly volatile, and we expect significant changes in months to come, so we should invest only in currencies with the most promising value. Shiba Inu was one of the currencies that attracted attention and raised its price in a short time. The price has dropped to less than 70% of its all-time value in only a few weeks. Shiba Inu has grown a lot since last year, and its price significantly increased during its first year. However, the crypto crash that happened in May affected this coin's price too. Some investors expect new currency growth in the following months, representing this as an opportunity to increase the value of the coins. They are supported by Ethereum whales, which have taken this one step further. If we look at the history, Ethereum whales remain primarily bullish on Shiba Inu, and they continue with it these days. Investors support these coins, not allowing these dog-themed coins to come to an end. Purchasing trillions of Shiba Inu in a short time, they have established their position as a whale favorite. Shiba Inu price action delivers a major price move every time. It has been relatively dormant until the end of August. But there was a notable increase in price activity in the first week of September. New observations indicate an increase in whale activity as the bears ease off on their attack. Shib kicked off the week on a bearish tone, which yielded a slight downside towards mid-week. It tested support near August lows after dropping back to the $0.000011 level. Shiba Inu's price has bounced back slightly since then, confirming that the support line is still active. A closer look at its on-chain metrics reveals that the slight uptick might start another potentially major price move. Shib's whale transaction metrics recorded healthy whale activity in the last 7 days. However, what transpired in the last 2 days is of particular interest. There was at least one transaction worth more than $1 million. There was a higher concentration of whale transactions worth over $1 million in the last 2 days than any other period in the last 7 days. This indicates that whales have been buying Shiba Inu's mid-week price dip. A deeper analysis reveals that quite a large amount of Shib was accumulated in the last 2 days. Shib's 90-day dormant circulation registered a large spike on 7th of September, during which roughly 1.11 trillion Shib was moved. It also peaked at 128.7 billion Shib in the last 24 hours. This outcome was consistent with the whale activity observed during the same period and the slight price uptick. The H-consumed metric registered a 7.61 trillion Shib spike, indicating that such a large amount changed hands. The meme cryptocurrency registered such a large spike in mid-August, which was followed by a major price spike. These observations in Shiba Inu's metrics confirm strong whale activity. If the same metrics hold, Shib holders should expect a wave of strong demand in the next few days, potentially triggering another major price uptick. This is subject to an overall sentiment shift, which would further enhance the potential outcome. A new announcement claims Leash is now available on Bluebit.io's cryptocurrency exchange in Dubai and St. Vincent. Bluebit.io lists the entire Shiba Inu trifecta, including Shib, Leash, and BONE. Bluebit concluded the Twitter conversation by saying, "Shib Army, we listen to you. Let us hear what you think." An ERC20 token designed for the Shiba Inu ecosystem is called Leash. You can use the token within the ecosystem to pay for goods and services and get deals and rewards. It is hardly surprising that the token has been added to Bluebit.io because the exchange has always supported the Shiba Inu community. One of the first exchanges to list Shib, the primary token of the Shiba Inu project, was Bluebit.io. The Shiba Inu community will undoubtedly be happy to see Leash listed on Bluebit.io because it will give them another way to buy and trade the token. More exchanges will probably list the token soon because Shiba Inu-related ventures have been more popular recently. Although Leash got initially designed to be a rebase token, it has recently become a token with a fixed supply. Although the project's creators remain unidentified, they claim to have marketing, software development, and financial analysis backgrounds. Shiba Inu has had a journey that will leave Wall Street and the rest of the traditional finance world utterly confused. It has a market cap that now rivals many of the Fortune 500, and a growing community that wants to hold it to the moon. In recent news about Shiba Inu, we learned that we are closing in on the release date of Shibarium, a Layer 2 scaling solution for Shiba Inu. The tech beneath the hype tells you everything you need to know about this meme coin advancement. To understand what Shibarium is, we need to understand what a Layer 2 scaling solution is. According to Vitalik Buterin's blockchain trilemma, scalability, decentralization, and security cannot thrive simultaneously. One has to be compromised to achieve the other two. Take Ethereum, for instance. It is decentralized and secure but lags in scalability. This is why the network slows down every time the traffic peaks and becomes expensive to transact. Shiba Inu doesn't have a blockchain of its own, so it works on the Ethereum blockchain. Therefore, it shares the same woes. A Layer 2 solution allows for scalability without hindering the other two aspects of the trilemma. Think of it as a flyover over a traffic-filled road. It reduces the time consumed and the amount of gas on transactions, but most importantly, it allows for more throughput. Shibarium aims to be that bridge, spanning the gap in the Ethereum network. And while the developers at Shiba Inu have been tight-lipped regarding the tech under the Shibarium hood, we are sure it will strive to meet the following objectives. When Shiba Inu launched its NFT collection, the gas fees on transactions often crossed $800. In this case, even if the NFT was free, you'd still need to spend about $800 to get it. This was a big hiccup that needed solving. Shibarium will bring the gas fees down to mere cents or even zeros. Blockchains have high gas fees because they're limited by the number of the transactions they can process in a second. Shibarium will increase that number manifold and bring down the gas fees. Ethereum can currently process only 13 transactions per second TPS. Today's highest throughput on an Ethereum Layer 2 solution is with Polygon, which can process 1000 TPS with a theoretical limit of 7200 TPS. Shibarium will be the platform where future projects of the Shiba Inu network will be launched. These projects include their metaverse and P2P gaming platforms. It has already amassed a ton of interest in the community, and announcements will be soon made after the launch of Shibarium. Regarding the release date, there has not been any concrete information from Shiba Inu devs, and the meme coin's legal team has shut down rumors of a third-quarter release date. The only confirmation is that a testnet was supposed to go live in August, and that lead developer Satoshi Kozama tweeted Shibarium would be launched soon. Also, the decentralized autonomous organization that runs Shiba Inu has voted on some executive decisions for the Shibarium platform. First, the platform's gas fees will not be paid using Shiba Inu, but an entirely new token known as Street. The rationale is to provide a democratic platform launch instead of having many whales already in the waters. Second, Shibarium will continue functioning on the Ethereum blockchain instead of switching to its own anytime soon. That's a wrap for today. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content.